All right, number 12, a national survey of 2,400 adult citizens of a nation found that 19% dreaded Valentine's Day. The margin of error was 1.3 percentage points with 90% confidence. Explain what this means. So they're telling us that the proportion that dreaded it was 0.19, and sorry, you can't see that. Proportion that dreaded was 0.19. The error was 1.3 percentage points, so as a decimal that would be 0.013. We can make a confident interval. If I add and subtract 0.13 to 19, so adding it will give me 0.203. Subtracting it would give me 0.1778. Yeah, 177. So we have this confidence interval. And at the 90% level, we are 90% confident that the true proportion that dread Valentine's Day will be between these two numbers. So this one says in 90% of the samples, the proportion will be between. I think the language here is wrong. We believe that it will be contained in that interval 90% of the time, but not necessarily 90% of the samples. So there's a 90% confidence that the proportion of adults that did not dread Valentine's Day is here. So I think that would be the opposite end. If we're saying the confidence, the people that did dread it are between these two numbers, which let's just confirm that. Do 0.19 minus, and it gives us 177, and 0.19 plus 0.013. So if these is the people that dread it, B is saying the people that did not dread it are between these two numbers. So I would just need to do 1 minus 0.203. And that would give us 0.797. The lower bound, if I did 1 minus 0.177, that gives me the upper of 8. So this is just the opposite spectrum. If this is the proportion that dreaded, the proportion that did not dread it should be between these two. So that looks good. 88 to 91% confidence that 19 dreaded. Nope. Level of confidence is varying. 90% confidence that 19% of adults. Nope. There's 90% probability that nation dreaded is between. Nope. Dreaded should be the smaller interval. And then there's a 90% confidence that the proportion of adults that dreaded is between. Yes. So those two fit.